This Raspberry Pi tutorial will show how to install the Raspberry Pi Video Looper. The Raspberry Pi Video Looper is a Raspberry Pi image that lets you easily loop video files from a USB drive, and it works right with startup. It's pretty easy to use. Just type in Raspberry Pi Video Looper into a search engine, then click on this link, Raspberry Pi Video Looper. The correct URL is videolooper.de. Then you can find the particular version that you need for your Raspberry Pi. Often you can use older Raspberry Pis, such as the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B that you might have laying around, and they work really good for looping 1080p videos. I happen to have a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B laying around, so I'll click this disk image. This will download the disk image to your operating system. Then you're going to need a microSD card to image onto. You will also need the Raspberry Pi imager. If you don't have this downloaded, please see the link in the description on how to install the Raspberry Pi disk imager. Once you've downloaded Video Looper, make sure you know where it is. Here I have the Video Looper zip file in my downloads folder. Then open up the Raspberry Pi disk imager. In the Raspberry Pi imager, first select which model. I'm using the Raspberry Pi Model 3. Then I can click Next. Then it'll ask you which OS you're going to use. In this case, we're going to use a custom OS, so scroll down to where it says Use Custom. It then asks you what custom OS you want to use. Here we have the Video Looper, so I'll select that one. Then I can say Next. Now it asks you where you are going to store it. Make sure you have your SD card inserted into your computer. I'm going to select this SD card. Then it gives you a summary of what's going to happen. Here we have a Raspberry Pi 3. We're going to install the Video Looper onto our SD card. Then click Write. It will give you a warning that you're going to erase all the data. Make sure you understand this and then click I understand and erase data. Now it will write the image of the Video Looper onto your Raspberry Pi SD card. Once it's done writing, it will verify it. You can skip the verification process, but it's a good idea just to have it be verified now rather than have problems later. Now it's finished, and now you have a disk image on an SD card that you can put right in a Raspberry Pi, and then it'll automatically boot up and loop any videos that are on a USB drive. This is great for video kiosks and other digital signage displays.